Hello guys, Jeoff-Re'z back with another video. Today the focus is on pruning these pepper plants. Pruning will enhance more foliage, more flowering, and eventually a greater yield. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. So guys, these are some capsicum bell peppers that I had started from germination. I have gone through several stages, and now I'm at the point where I'm gonna be doing some pruning. This plant right here has 7 true leaves, so what I will do, I'll just top it off at this point. Point to note is it's optional as to the amount of leaves that you want to leave. You can leave anywhere from 3 to about 6 leaves, but I choose to leave 5. So at each of these nodes you will have shoots coming up, which will eventually lead to a bushier plant. Because I didn't spray them early, those 2 leaves there got damaged by pests. Moving on to the second plant, this is where the seed leaves would have been. What I'll do, I'll just check the amount of leaves that I want remaining on the plant, and then I will just top it off just at an angle above the leaf node. You will want to ensure that you get a clean cut, like so. This portion right here that you cut off, you can just throw that into your compost pile. So once you make that cut at your point of preference, then your plant should be looking pretty much like this right here. So guys, pruning your plants will channel this energy into the growth and development of the side shoots that you're seeing right here. Now this plant right here is a bit taller and has a slimmer stem in comparison to the previous 2 that I have topped off. The procedure is pretty much the same as to what I have done to the previous 2 plants. So I'll just go ahead, count off the amount of leaves, and then I will just cut it at that point just above the leaf node. So what you will have now is that the plant will now rechannel its energies into the side shoots so that you will eventually have a more bushier plant. So here is what they'll look like after being topped off. So in a while from now you'll see the side shoots more pronounced as they develop into branches. You may even notice that as they develop, you will start seeing flowering surfacing, but it is up to you as to if you want to let them continue to flower, or you want to get rid of those flowers so that it can focus more on the growth and development of those shoots. Pruning is pretty simple, and you can do this even as a beginner. So please make sure to follow for further updates.